Hello friends, we will be studying today diabetic ketoacidosis. So what is diabetic ketoacidosis? It occurs due to absolute insulin deficiency, and it can also occur due to increase in glucagon, growth hormones, cortisol, and hormones such as catecholamines. Plus there will be increase in the gluconeogenesis, plus there will be increase in hepatic and the renal glucose production. Also, there will be inhibition of utilization of the glucose by the periphery muscles. Also, in DKA, there will be increase in fatty acid oxidation. Because of fatty acid oxidation, there will be increase in the production of ketone bodies, leading to the increase in the production of ketone bodies such as acetone, acetoacetic acid, and beta hydroxybutyric acid. Etiology: it can occur due to infection, can occur due to infarction, can occur due to drugs, can occur due to pregnancy. Infection include pneumonia, GI infection, UTI, and sepsis. Infarction can be of cerebral blood vessels, coronary blood vessels, and peripheral blood vessels. In DKA, basically it is a pro-inflammatory state. There will be increase in the reactive oxygen species, there will be increase in the C-reactive protein. In DKA, there will be increase in the blood glucose, leading to polyuria. Because of polyuria, there will be polydipsia, and there will be polyphagia, which is a non-specific symptom. Along with, there will be shortness of breath, abdominal pain will be there, and there will be respiratory distress. The patient may be drowsy also. The patient can land into coma also. Clinical findings include, because of vomiting, there can be sign of dehydration, leading to decrease in BP, increase in heart rate, and lethargy. This will be the first clinical finding. Second clinical finding will be of the respiratory symptoms. Respiratory symptoms include increase in respiratory rate, there will be Kussmaul respiration, and there will be acidic breath. In third there will be abdominal tenderness. The patient may resemble pain in the abdomen, which may resemble surgical abdomen. The fourth will be CNS finding, which include lethargy, cerebral edema, and confusion, coma, and possibly drowsiness also. In DKA, there will be increase in the blood glucose. The blood glucose may be high up to 250 to 600 mg per deciliter. There will be increase in the plasma ketone bodies such as beta hydroxybutyric acid, acetones, and acetic acid, and the pH will be 6.8 to 7.3. The bicarbonate will be less than 15. The anion gap will be increased, and the serum sodium will be around 125 to 135 milliequivalents per deciliter. The treatment will be, the patient can be admitted if the patient is drowsy, if the pH is less than 7, then we have to admit the patient. We have to assess the serum electrolyte ABG condition and the KFT of the patient. 2 to 3 liters of fast 0.9% NaCl is given over 1 to 3 hours. 10 to 20 ml per kg is given, or we can give followed by 250 to 500 ml of N/2 saline, followed by 150 to 250 ml of N/2 saline plus 5% dextrose if the blood glucose level fall below 250 mg per deciliter. Administer regular insulin at the dose of 0.1 unit per kg IV stat, followed by infusion of 0.1 unit per kg per hour of IV infusion of insulin. Then we have to measure serum potassium. Potassium can be more than 5.2, it can be 5 to 5.2, and it can be less than 3.5 milligrams per deciliter. If it is more than 5.2, no potassium supplements are required. If it is 5 to 5.2, potassium at the rate of 10 milligrams per hour is required. But if it is less than 3.5, potassium at the rate of 40 to 80 milligrams per hour is required. We have to measure the plasma glucose level 1 to 2 hourly, serum electrolytes and ABG every 4 hourly. On ABG with the bicarbonate is reserved for severe metabolic acidosis patient with a pH of less than 7, and bicarbonate is given 50 to 100 millimoles of bicarbonate. The phosphate is usually given if phosphate is less than 1 mg per deciliter or in the presence of anemia, cardiac dysfunction, and respiratory muscle weakness. So guys, this was a in short 5-minute video of diabetic ketoacidosis. Hope you like this video. If you want more of such video, you can please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.